7 signs you might be a highly sensitive person. Number 1, your nervous system is made different. That means that you pick up so much more sensory information through sight, sound, touch, feel, even taste than the average person. Number 2, because your nervous system picks up so much more information, highly sensitive people are excellent observers. We observe so many things when we're out and about, when we're people watching, when we're in crowds, when we're at a restaurant. We are the observers. Number 3, because of all this sensory input that we're picking up, we get much more easily exhausted. We get drained. We tend to get drained by crowds, drained by environments like grocery stores or casinos because it's just overstimulating. Our nervous systems are actually using a lot of energy to process all of that sensory information. So it makes sense that we get exhausted. I get zoinked if I spend too much time out in public. Number 4, we tend to emote with a lot of ease. Something like a sunrise or a baby's smile can make me completely cry, just at their beauty, at their joy. Our highs are high and our lows are lows. This is important to understand and not to confuse with bipolar. Number 5, we need alone time much more than the average person because we need to get alone to get away from stimulation, away from our systems picking up all this information. So we tend to retreat, to restore, to rest, to reset, so that we can then go out into the world from a rested state. Number 6, we tend to give great intention and detail to our environments. Our workspaces, our home spaces, we want them to be cozy and comfortable, warm and friendly and inviting sanctuaries. So we put a lot of energy and effort into design and having form and function work together to support our lives. Number 7, we can very much lean conflict avoidant because that energy of a conflict is very, very, very draining. But we also need to know how and when to lean into conflict so that we're not avoiding things that really need to get addressed in our work lives and our personal lives. Relating takes a lot of energy. It takes a lot of negotiation internally with ourselves and out loud with each other. So highly sensitive people who lean conflict avoidant, I promise you can learn some skills that help you better deal with conflict and help you get less drained. I'm a licensed therapist and a life coach who creates content for highly sensitive people and trauma survivors. I want you to have the emotional strength training for this life so that you can make life easier on the inside. It's always going to challenge us on the outside, and there are limits to what we can control external to us, but we have infinite, untapped power to manage our internal states, our mindsets, the way we breathe, and take care of ourselves with some simple yet powerful strategies that help us bring ease and peace into our internal and external worlds. Light and love, and keep following for more highly sensitive content and tips.